Happy Wednesday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Okay, before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Follow me, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Woo! All right, say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below. It's I'm squeezing this in really late, close to the wee hours, but I'm going to get episode 169 in, and I'm stoked about it. My name's Lisa Puert. If you're tuning in for the first time, also known as Super Agent, I'm an active licensed California real estate professional, a public educator, international speaker, and professional agent trainer. More importantly, I teach kids real estate literacy, terms and concepts, and creator and founder of a plethora of things that you can check out at LA Super Agent on all your favorite social media. Okay, this is going to be a good one. I feel like I don't even need to rename it. But I think I'm going to call this one, Dig Deep. Dig Deep. I'm in the section where he says reflect and then connect. Make sure to put a net in your networking, a safety net. Type in the comments below, safety net. He says it's safe to say that we all have benefited from networking. It's also safe to say that we've made some bad connections in the past and maintain the potential if it is happening again. But if we realize how much of our credibility, type in the comments, credibility was at stake when we facilitate the connection of business relationships, we would reflect deeply, not connect loosely. That thing we call associations. Yeah. And you've got to have people, you've got to compartmentalize, your folks, your peoples, your network. There's certain people that serve a purpose, and you've got to know the people that are pulling you upward, the people that you are pulling, the people that are supporting and loving on you. You need to know that. He says there are many variables to consider when referring, including the reality of mutual value, probability percentage of relationship, potential conflicts, even personality styles. Absolutely. He says a little thinking goes a long way to facilitating quality referrals, as will open, honest, and derailed conversations with both referrals in advance. Asking specific questions and sharing the fullness of what's real with both parties is essential to creating a solid fit and determining if there are any obstacles in the way of a relationship being formed. The more specific and detailed you are in the conversation, the better both parties will feel about the meeting, and there will be fewer surprises. That's why I said dig deep. Dig deep. Don't be afraid to ask the questions, especially when you're connecting and referring other people. You gotta dig deep, or you create a disservice for when you're referring out. The author says it serves referrals well when we qualify connections with intentionality. Type in the comments qualify, and it reflects positively on our reputation when we do our homework. He says, truth be told, referrals should be so well teed up that success will be imminent upon meeting. The nice part of making great connections with people is the reciprocation of tight referrals, the enhancement of our reputation, and the certainty of knowing we added value. We added value. Type in the comments, I added value to those we trust and care about. Right? If you trust somebody and you care about them, dig deep so that you can make that connection. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and reflect today on ways that we can really explore the relationships that we have and see how we can offer a referral opportunity when we see one that is both of quality, trust, and care. All right, that's my time. Love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful and productive day. I will see you tomorrow as we continue Shift Your Thinking. Make sure to turn on post notifications, subscribe, like, and share. Bye.